Hello IG Garage family, if your scanner is showing the P2404 code, don't ignore it. Because this code is related to your vehicle's EVAP system, specifically the leak detection pump sense circuit. And if left unresolved, it can trigger the check engine light, increase fuel vapor emissions, and prevent your vehicle from passing an emissions inspection. What does P2404 mean? P2404 stands for Evaporative Emission System Leak Detection Pump Sense Circuit Range Performance. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the feedback signal from the leak detection pump, also known as the LDP, is outside the normal operating range. The leak detection pump checks the EVAP system for leaks by creating pressure or vacuum inside the fuel vapor system. The ECU continuously monitors the pump's sense circuit to confirm that the pump is operating correctly. If the feedback signal is inconsistent, to weak, or outside the expected range, the ECU stores the P2404 trouble code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2404, you may notice check engine light on, failed emissions inspection, fuel vapor smell around the vehicle, EVAP monitor not completing, additional EVAP-related trouble codes, and in most cases, little or no change in engine performance. Since this code mainly affects the emissions system, many drivers only notice the warning light. Component location. Now let's talk about location. The leak detection pump is usually mounted near the charcoal canister close to the fuel tank underneath the vehicle. On some vehicles, it is built into the EVAP canister assembly. The pump connects to the ECU through a wiring harness that includes power, ground, control, and sense circuits. Because the pump is installed underneath the vehicle, it is exposed to water, mud, road salt, and vibration. The most common causes of P2404 include faulty leak detection pump, faulty sense circuit, damaged wiring harness, loose or corroded electrical connectors, poor ground connection, water intrusion in the connector, faulty EVAP control module, or ECU problems in rare cases. A damaged connector or failing leak detection pump is one of the most common causes of this trouble code. Quick diagnosis: start by scanning for additional EVAP-related trouble codes. Inspect the leak detection pump wiring and connector. Look for broken wires, corrosion, or loose terminals. Use a digital multimeter to check power, ground, and sense circuit voltage. Activate the leak detection pump using a professional scan tool. And monitor the feedback signal to verify that it stays within the manufacturer's specifications. How to fix P2404. Repair damaged wiring. Clean or replace corroded connectors. Repair poor ground connections. Replace the faulty leak detection pump if testing confirms failure. Repair EVAP circuit faults if necessary, clear the code. And perform a complete EVAP drive cycle to confirm the repair. Final result: fixing P2404 will restore proper leak detection pump feedback. Allow the EVAP monitor to complete successfully. Reduce harmful fuel vapor emissions, help your vehicle pass emissions testing. And keep the check engine light OFF. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage. And comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.